Introduction to Java. Java is a powerful, high-level programming language initially developed by Sun Microsystems in 1995. One of the defining features of Java is its platform independence, which means that Java programs can run on any device that has a Java Virtual Machine, or JVM, installed. This gives Java the flexibility to work across many devices, making it popular for a range of applications from mobile apps to enterprise software. Java's motto, "Write once, run anywhere," speaks to this adaptability. Features of Java. Java is known for several key features that make it a robust and versatile language. It's object-oriented, meaning it uses classes and objects to structure programs. Java's automatic memory management helps prevent memory leaks and make programs more stable. Another advantage is multithreading, which allows Java programs to perform multiple operations simultaneously. Together, these features contribute to Java's security, reliability, and popularity in complex applications. Java Environment Components. To develop and run Java applications, there are three main components: the Java Development Kit, JDK, which provides tools for coding in Java; the Java Runtime Environment, JRE, which enables us to run Java applications; and the Java Virtual Machine, JVM, which actually executes the code, allowing it to run on any platform. Each of these components plays a vital role in Java's write once, run anywhere capability. Java Program Structure. Java programs have a standard structure, starting with a class declaration. Classes are like blueprints in Java, they define the properties and behaviors of objects. Every Java program includes a main method, which serves as the entry point. Java statements go inside methods, and we can also add comments with / to make the code more readable. This basic structure is important to understand before diving into coding. Data types in Java. Java has two primary categories of data types: primitive types, which include int for integers, double for decimals, boolean for true/false values, and char for characters, and reference types, which refer to objects and arrays. Understanding data types is essential as they define what kind of data variables can hold, enabling us to work efficiently with different data. Control structures. Java has several control structures that determine the flow of a program. Conditional statements like if and switch let us make decisions based on conditions. Loops, including for, while, and do while, allow us to execute code repeatedly. The break and continue statements can be used to control the flow within loops. These structures make our programs dynamic and flexible, adapting to different inputs. Object-oriented concepts in Java. Java is an object-oriented language, which means it uses classes and objects to model real-world things. Four main principles shape this model. Inheritance allows classes to inherit traits from other classes, polymorphism enables objects to take on different forms, abstraction hides unnecessary details to simplify complexity, and encapsulation groups data and methods together. Together, these principles help create a well-organized and efficient code structure. Exception handling. Exception handling in Java allows us to manage errors gracefully. Using try and catch blocks, we can attempt to execute code and catch errors that occur, allowing the program to continue running instead of crashing. We can also use throw and throws to manually create or declare exceptions. Understanding exception handling is crucial for writing resilient code. Java libraries and APIs. Java provides a vast standard library that includes packages like java.lang and java.util, which contain many commonly used classes and functions. There are also advanced APIs, such as the Collections Framework for data structures and the Streams API for processing data. Knowing Java's libraries is beneficial because they provide pre-built tools that speed up development. File handling in Java. Java enables us to work with files for reading and writing data. For instance, FileReader and FileWriter help us handle text files. Java also supports serialization, allowing us to save objects as byte streams. File handling is important in applications that need to store or transfer data persistently. Multithreading in Java. Java is capable of handling multiple threads, or units of work, simultaneously. We can create threads by extending the thread class or implementing the runnable interface. Synchronization helps manage resources shared between threads to prevent conflicts. Multithreading allows us to make our applications faster and more responsive. Java frameworks and libraries. Java has many powerful frameworks that help speed up development. Spring, for example, is widely used for building enterprise applications, and Hibernate is a tool for working with databases using object relational mapping. Maven and Gradle are build tools that help manage dependencies. Understanding these tools can greatly enhance productivity and code management. Java for web development. Java is also popular in web development. Java EE, or Java Enterprise Edition, includes technologies like servlets and JSP for creating dynamic web pages. Spring Boot is a more recent addition that simplifies web development, making it quicker to set up and deploy applications. Java's use in web development is significant for building reliable, high-performance sites. Java in Android development. Java has long been the main language for Android development, although Kotlin is also popular now. The Android SDK provides the tools needed to create Android apps using Java. Since mobile applications are in high demand, knowing Java can be beneficial if you're interested in app development. Conclusion. In summary, Java is an incredibly versatile and robust language, used in everything from enterprise applications to mobile development. Its platform independence, security, and large ecosystem make it a top choice for developers worldwide. Learning Java provides a strong foundation for building a wide variety of applications.